Hello, I guess someone usually tell me about the AC issues of their Android head unit. Problem is the physical button AC control works, but the AC information not show on screen. What do you mean the AC control can works, but here not show AC information? So how can we check? When you open the car door, first check whether there is a car prompt on the screen. If there is no, so how to check? The first way is when you open your car door, please check whether there is a door prompt on your screen. If there is no that information, it means your the CANbus jack not well connected. So what means the CANbus jack is this one. This jack is very important, and also this one. So this one and this one are very important. You need to plug them by correct direction. And this one, some people plugged this clip to the up version. You need to keep this clip to the down below version. So if you connect both plugs, when you place physical buttons, the AC information will show on screen.